Hi guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, my aunt wanted to teach y'all how to make some dried cereal at home. It's super healthy and you can eat it with milk or just as a snack any time of the day. For the ingredients, you need 500 grams of roasted oats, and then I chose 50 grams of dried fruits. Each one of them is 50 grams, so you can add as much as you want. But here's the dried fruits that I chose and how I would prepare it. So first I crunched up the peanuts. Next, the almonds. Then I cut the dried peach. Next, I crunched up the nuts. And lastly, the cashew. I then melted 100 grams of chocolate, and y'all could put some milk chocolate or dark chocolate, it's as you wish. After the chocolate is fully melted, I added all the dried fruits in a big bowl, in a big plate, and I added the chocolate. Mix it all together. Let it all sit in the refrigerator in the plates, and then you're going to break it all and turn it into smaller bits. By the end, it should look something like this, and that's it for today. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like it if you did, subscribe for more videos, comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time. Keep smiling. P.S. Thank you so much to my aunt for this amazing recipe. I will definitely be using it. It's really good and it was super tasty.